Hello everyone, and welcome back to Guna House Ideas. If you're passionate about innovative interior design and want to explore stunning homes, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll take you on a tour of an awe-inspiring tropical modern concrete house. The combination of sleek concrete structures and tropical influences creates a unique and luxurious living space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design ideas and home tours that will inspire your next project. As we approach the house, the first thing that stands out is its striking concrete exterior. This modern material gives the home an industrial yet sophisticated vibe. The clean lines, expansive walls, and minimalist design offer a sense of strength and stability. Surrounded by lush greenery, the concrete walls help create a stunning contrast with the tropical landscape, showcasing how this material can blend perfectly with nature. Walking through the front door, we immediately notice the seamless transition from the outdoors to the indoors. The open floor plan invites natural light to flood in, with large glass windows and sliding doors that connect the interior spaces to the tropical garden outside. The concrete floor continues inside, adding consistency and flow throughout the home. The living room is designed to be the heart of the home, offering plenty of space for relaxation and entertainment. With large windows that frame the tropical views, this room is filled with natural light. The neutral-toned furniture complements the cool concrete walls, while pops of color from the artwork and throw pillows bring warmth and life to the space. It's a perfect balance between luxury and comfort. Moving into the kitchen, we see a design that prioritizes clean lines and functionality. The concrete countertops create a sleek, modern look, while the open shelving and minimalist cabinetry maintain the feeling of spaciousness. The dining area features a large wooden table that contrasts beautifully with the concrete, adding warmth and texture to the room. This space is perfect for both intimate family meals and grand dinner parties. Next, we head to the master bedroom, where the minimalist design continues. The large bed is surrounded by concrete walls and large glass windows that allow you to wake up to breathtaking tropical views. The use of natural materials, like wood and stone, adds a sense of calm and serenity. The ambience here is perfect for rest and relaxation, with everything designed to make you feel at peace in your surroundings. The bathroom in this home is a true work of art. The concrete walls continue into the space, blending seamlessly with natural elements like wood and stone to create a spa-like retreat. The freestanding bathtub offers a perfect spot to unwind while enjoying the tropical scenery through the floor-to-ceiling windows. The open shower area adds a sense of space, making this bathroom feel like an extension of the outdoors. One of the most impressive features of this home is the expansive outdoor living space. The concrete design continues outdoors, with a beautiful patio and infinity pool that overlook the lush tropical landscape. The space is perfect for entertaining, with an outdoor kitchen and lounge area that make it easy to enjoy the natural beauty of the surroundings. It's a true tropical oasis that combines modern luxury with nature's tranquility. What makes this tropical modern concrete house truly special is its focus on sustainability. The use of concrete, a durable and energy-efficient material, ensures the house stands the test of time while minimizing environmental impact. Large windows and smart design choices allow for natural ventilation and lighting, reducing energy consumption. This home doesn't just look beautiful, it's designed with the planet in mind. To sum up, this tropical modern concrete house is an incredible example of how contemporary design can blend seamlessly with nature. It's a space that offers both luxury and practicality, making it the perfect retreat for those who appreciate high-end design with a deep connection to the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Guna House Ideas for more inspiring home tours and interior design inspiration. See you in the next video.